Welcome to e-Semplice, where music theory is simplified. In this video, we'll be looking at conversion of time signatures, and it covers grades 4 and 5 music theory. Scope of conversion. We'll be going from simple time signature to compound time signature and vice versa. That's the conversion will be from simple to compound time and compound time to simple time. Effects of the conversion. A new time signature emerges. Either way, converting from simple to compound or compound to simple time signatures, a new time signature will emerge. Both the top and bottom number of the time signature will change. The main beats per bar does not change. Rhythmic effect must not change. You should keep it the same. We'll start by converting from simple time to compound time. And the process is this. The step is this. The steps to take. 1. Multiply the top number by 3. 2. Halve the principal note. Now let's take this example of 4/4 time. Step 1. Multiply the top number by 3. You have 12. 4 times 3 will be 12. Then halve the principal note. Please note, you are not to halve figure 4. Rather, look at 4 as a principal note. It is the note you will have, not the figure. 4 signifies a crotchet. So halve a crotchet. If you have a crotchet, you are going to have a quiver note. So the time signature changes from 4/4 time, which is a simple time, to 12/8 time, which is a compound time. Now, the next thing you do is, let's work on the notes. Remember, 4/4 time is a simple quadruple with 4 main beats as numbered, and 12/8 time is also a compound quadruple with 4 main beats per bar. So working with this knowledge, a main beat in 12/8 time is a dotted crotchet. You have a triplet in the 4/4 time. Remember, triplets are only associated with simple time signatures. So, how do you get this reading in 12/8 time? It is simply by taking away the 3. That's the triplet sign, and you are going to have 3 quavers as your bit 2. For bit 3, it returns to a dotted crochet. Bit 4, dotted crochets. So when you convert a simple time signature to a compound time signature, the number of main bits per bar should be the same, as in quadruple, quadruple. If it is a duple, the other one should also be a duple. The main bits per bar remains the same, but the time signature changes from simple to compound. Let's take more examples for understanding. We are now looking at 3/4 time. Remember step 1, multiply the top number by 3. You have 9. Then the principal note here is a crochet. If you have the principal note, half the crochet means you are going to have a quiver. So the time signature changes from 3/4 to 9/8. But the good thing here is that 3/4 is a simple triple time with 3 main bits per bar, and 9/8 is a compound triple with 3 main bits per bar. Remember, compound time signature has main bits as dotted notes. So here we are going to have the first main bit in 9/8 time is going to be a dotted crochet, second bit dotted crochet, third bit dotted crochet. Examples 3, still on conversion from simple time to compound time. Here we are looking at a 3/2 time. Multiply the top number by 3, you have 9. The principal note here is a minim. If you have a minim, you are going to have a crochet. So you have 9/4 as the compound time. 3/2 is a simple triple with 3 main bits per bar. Bit 1, bit 2, bit 3. 9/4 is also a triple time signature, but this time compound with 3 main bits per bar. Bit 1, bit 2, bit 3. Each bit in the simple time is a triplet. So bringing it into the compound, you just have to take away the triplet sign. So for bit 1 here, you are going to have 3 crochets, bit 2, 3 crochets, bit 3, 3 crochets. We now move to conversion from compound time signature to simple time signature. And the steps are: 1. The top number is divided by 3. That is, divide the top number by 3, and then step 2, double the principal note. Please do not double the figure. Double the principal note the figure represents. So let's take this. First step, divide the top number by 3. You will have 2. Then the principal note here is a quaver. If you double a quaver, you are going to have a crotchet, signified by figure 4. Please note, do not double the bottom figure, but double the note it signifies. Now, let's go further. 6/8 is a compound duple with 2 main beats per bar, while 2/4 time is also a duple time signature with 2 main beats per bar, only that it is simple. It's a simple time. So how do we take those notes to this time signature without any flaw? All you do for beat 1 in 6/8 time, knock off the dot. So your beat 1 in 2/4 time becomes a crochet. And for your beat 2 in 2/4 time, just knock off the duplet sign and you'll have 2 quavers, making the second main beat. Example 2. We are still converting from compound time to simple time. Step 1. Divide the top number by 3. So dividing 9 by 3, you have 3. Double the principal note. The principal note here is a crochet. Double a crochet and you have a minim. 9/4 is a compound triple, while 3/2 is a simple triple time, each having 3 main beats per bar. Let's work on the notes. A main beat in 9/4 time is a dotted minim, while a main beat in 3/2 time is a minim. So all you do is knock off the dot and you have a minim for beat 1. Knock off the dot for beat 2 again, you have a minim for beat 2. But for beat 3, knock off the duplet sign and you have just 2 crochets. This question is from Muson examination November 2021 and it's a grade 4 paper. Rewrite the following passage in simple time but without changing the rhythmic effects. Remember to include the new time signature. Step 1. Top number divided by 3. Step 2. Double the principal notes. We are going from compound time to simple time, but without changing the rhythmic effects. The top number here is 6. If you divide 6 by 3, you have 2. The principal note here is a quaver. If you double a quaver, you'll have a crotchet. So the time signature changes from 6/8 to 2/4 time when converted. 6/8 is a compound duple with 2 main beats per bar. That's beat 1, beat 2, beat 1, beat 2, beat 1, beat 2. 2/4 is a simple duple with 2 main beats per bar. That's beat 1, beat 2, bar line, beat 1, beat 2, bar line, beat 1, beat 2, and bar line. Let's work on the notes. The first beat in 6/8 time, when converted to 2/4, can only be 2 quavers. All you do, knock off the duplet sign. Then the second beat has 3 quavers. You can't squeeze that into the second beat in 2/4 time. So the easiest way to go about it is make it a triplet, because a triplet is actually 3 notes in place of 2 of its kind. So the triplet there, you are looking at 3 notes, but it is actually 2 quavers. So that can be accommodated. Triplets are only found in simple time signatures. So the 3 notes you are looking at equals 1 crotchet beat. Let's look at bar 2. Knock off the duplet sign like you did before. You'll have 2 quavers. Repeat what you did before. It becomes a triplet. The last bar, knock off the dots, because a main beat in 2/4 time is a single note, not a dotted note. Knock off the dot, you have a crotchet, and then knock off the dot on the rest, you have an ordinary crotchet rest. This is how to tackle this type of question in case you find it in your exams. Best of luck in your examination. Many thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe to e-Semplice YouTube channel.